everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Man, guys, this car is going to bring back a lot of great memories right here. This is a 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix LJ, 11,000 original miles on this car. This is a gorgeous survivor car. When I say it brings back great memories, my very first classic car that I ever had was one of these. Mine was red with white interior. I wasn't fortunate enough to have the LJ models. This thing's a 400. Mine was a 350, but man, I love that car. Owned it for, I think, almost 3 years, and I sold it. But these are great drivers. I drove this thing actually yesterday when it came in, and just awesome car. Like I say, this car has 11,000 original miles. It came out of a big Pontiac collection. It's a two-owner car. I guess he bought this car when it was a couple years old, and has had it ever since. It's really looks to be completely original to me, other than the tires. It's a factory Nautilus blue metallic. It's got the painted on pinstripe. It's got all the original light blue cloth interior, and a gorgeous collector type car. This car is beautiful. You can pick a couple, there's a couple little touch-up marks, and obviously with the paint being original, you can pick some little things. There are a couple little dings in it that whoever decides to buy it, if I've got a paint and stent removal guy that can take a look at that. I won't just have it done prior. I know people are very weird about stuff that's original. A lot of stuff they want completely left alone, so I will not have them do it unless it's something that you decide you wanted to do. Again, this is a painted on pinstripe. Great car. I mean, you get in it, it's like turning the key and going back to 1977. Original soft ray shaded glass. What a great car. Look at how nice this car is. Factory rear defog. Look how nice the filler piece is. Just gorgeous car. You can see one of the little dings right below there. I think there's another one on the door. But Goodyear white wall radial tires on it. Got the factory correct rally 15-inch rally 2 wheels. Gorgeous car, man. Just a awesome piece of history right here. There's one right there. You can see a little thing on the door there. Again, I won't touch him, won't do anything. So the next owner can make that decision. What a car, man. Again, this is the LJ model, so it's got the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel, completely bone stock underneath the hood here. I think everything works on this car except for the clock, and it's probably unhooked because the car's been in storage. Power steering, power disc brakes, cruise control, factory air blows ice cold, 400 turbohydramatic trans. you ever driven one of these things, they float down the road. I mean, they just drive awesome. These are dual remote mirrors. Both driver and passenger are remote mirrors. Original door tags in there. You can see, I mean, somebody has kept this car. It's had to have been stored in a climate controlled environment. Look how pretty that car is. Factory 60/40 split bench, tilt column. Look at the wood grain dash, and this car just doesn't show anywhere. 11,028 miles on it. Factory AM FM Delco radio. Again, there's your passenger side remote. They work. Rear defog. It's got the pulse wipers. It's still got the original single exhaust. Factory rear axle. How nice that car is. The spare has never been on the ground. Original spackle paint. All your original owner's manuals, your original pre-delivery inspection sheet. Oh, it's got a power trunk release. That's in the glove box. Everything opens and closes beautifully. Clean underneath. Outstanding car. Doesn't look like anybody's ever sat in the back seat. Dash is beautiful. Awesome, awesome car. Again, all your original soft ray glass. The air blow is ice cold. Great car, man. Just an awesome car. Barely hear that thing running. Yeah, somebody's just gonna have a blast with this thing. Gauges are all functional. Doors weigh a ton. Oh, we got it. I'll check it, but I didn't know if that backup light came on there. And they were both working, so I'm assuming it's just a like connection on a ball. And it might have come on, I just might have missed it. Radio works, blower motor works, you can see the rear defog works. What a car, man. What a car. Love the headlights on these cars. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also now subscribe to our website, so you can email that notification every time I post a car. What a baby doll right there, man. great day, guys.